What it is, YouTube, it is your boy Kid Sleepless. I'm back again with another Sleepless review. I got 4 shoes here, only 3 boxes, which is weird, but anyway, this is a continuation of my last huge order when I got those 16 pairs of shoes. There's really 4 shoes in these 3 boxes. It's crazy. So apparently this is to save on shipping costs. I mean, the boxes aren't too beat up, so I'm not really that mad. So let's get into it. Got a pair of Paul Georges here. Well, this is the box that Paul Georges should come in, but the Paul Georges are not in there. So we're gonna go with the Paul Georges first, because I want to start with those. This is a Vapormax. Came in the wrong box. Alright, give me a second and I'm gonna unpackage these. Alright, YouTube, I am back. Shoes is unpackaged. Well, one of them is. This is the Paul George 2.5. I don't know exactly which colorway this is. I'm not a Paul George fan like that, but I'm gonna go into the details. I think they're called the Big Fishes, I believe. I don't remember. It says, "Don't tell me the sky's the limit when therein there are footprints on the moon." That's a flaw. It says it's supposed to say, "Don't tell me the sky's the limit when there are footprints on the moon," but it says when therein there are footprints. It's a little flaw there, but nobody's gonna be looking at your the back of your shoe. It's really subtle right there, the words fish there. This is I don't know why it's coming up that color, but this is like a neon green swoosh here. This gradient, this white and blue gradient is awesome. It says Paul P. George there on the tongue. This is a gray swoosh. 93552 there on the midsole. And it has the PG logo on the inside, and with shoe trees. It comes with shoe trees. And you see the Paul George logo there. The bottom has his signature in neon green. You know, got these little holes for traction. And got this right here. I mean, I'm not an expert on the Paul Georges, but that's them. They alright. I suppose big tongue on them, by the way. Hopefully those look better when you straighten them out. Got these Vapormaxes from my mom, these triple blacks. These are awesome. 3M technology all the way up on the dashes. Air Vapormax Plus there on the tongue. Vapormax VM Air on the inside. VM Air on the back. The bottom Air Max black bubble units. They're fairly comfortable too, I'm not even gonna lie. Yeah, these came good too. They came good. What else? Oh yeah, sister got a pair of Obsidians. Ones. These are clean. Like, I like these. These is just subtle. Real calm, a real calm shoe. Like the navy blue and the baby blue together. Navy blue swoosh on the inside of the shoe. As the same for the outside. Navy blue Jordan Wings logo there. Perforated holes all throughout the toe. Stitching is nice on these. They always come nice on the ones. Stars do pop out. Nike Air on the bottom. It's a 1. I mean, it's not like details aren't too crazy. It's a standard one. Shoe tree. Nike Air and baby blue on the inside. I mean, what's crazy is somebody had asked me at my job, like, yo, can you get these for me? And I was just like, I'll think about it. And I completely forgot I ordered these for my freaking sister. Which is, they look good. Can't lie. But I ain't jelly. Like them fearless joints is, whew. Them joints look critical. They make you want a pair. And I ain't a fan of them really, really flamboyant shoes. But those make me want a pair. Let me get into this Space Jam box. I already ordered a pair of Space Jams from Kicks. This is my second pair. I sold my last pair. Like, I wore them like 3 times and I sold them for more than I paid for them on Kicks. And the person knew where they were from. He just wanted them because he struck out. So let me unbox this and I'll be right back, y'all. I'm back at it. Box is out. You know how them Space Jam slide boxes be a little complicated to do with one hand, but I am back. The box came just as good as my last one did. I mean, the last time I ordered the Space Jam, the box came flawless. But let me get into the tags first. Air Jordan 10 and Air Jordan 11 Retro Black Concord White Noir Blank Concorded. Now it's a 10.5. I usually go by Euro size, which is 44.5. It's just more universal and easier to pick out sizes going from boy and girls. I don't have time to be getting the sizes wrong. I just go Euro. Space Jam Galaxy print on the inside of the upper box. 45 there. It's a little beat up, but it's alright. Like, this is dope. Always love this Space Jam box for this release. 11 here. I don't believe it says Tinker made them shine. No, it doesn't have that. You know how normally the old 11s have Tinker made them shine, Mike made them fly, he made them iconic, but no, it doesn't have that on this protective covering. They came individually wrapped. Had to get that wrapping off. That shit was a struggle too. If you not notice, I just peeped this. Came in a box within a box. So I believe this is my sister's Obsidian box for her ones, and they put them inside the Space Jam box. This A1 shipping. Jesus Christ, they doing some crazy things, man. They doing some crazy things. This box came better than all the other boxes, though. Considering it came in a box. Let me take this off. So, this is the Obsidian box. As you can see, it has the suggested MSRP, the retail, $160. But that's crazy. They put this shit in another box. But it's alright though. The boxes came good. Let's get into these Space Jams. 45 paper on the bottom. On the bottom. I don't know if y'all got that. 45 paper. I think it has another. Yeah, it has regular white paper in there too. So there's that. Both shoes should be just as good as, you know. I don't have to take them both out. It's a Space Jam. Y'all know what it is. As with the new release, got the heightened patent leather, so it's bigger. Got the what do they shoot? The peaks. They got the peaks here, one there, one on the front. Should be one over here. Yeah, one there. Third spacing, thick black laces. These are thick. Patent leather is shiny as shit, man. Jesus Christ. Patent leather is beautiful. Carbon fiber on the bottom. It's good. Got the pods, 1, 2, 3. White Jumpman. Blue traction unit. Well, like the kind of deep blue traction units. 45 on the back. Nice and straight. Jesus. 40 and the ball lines up with the 45. It looks really good. Everything lines up in the back too. It's a good shoe. Let me see. Damn, they got this shit tight as fuck in this bitch. Get out of here, motherfucker. Fuck out. Get the fuck up. Yo, that shit is in there. Yo, give me a second. That bitch was in there. But anyway, YouTube, I am back again. I'm sorry. Nike Air on the inside. I turned my flash off so I really can't see it. 10.5, size 10.5. As you can see, why the fuck is my camera not focusing? What the hell? Like, anyway, yeah, the shoes came good though. They good. They just as good as my last Space Jams. And I don't, honestly, after I sold them, I regretted it immediately. Do not sell your fucking shoes like that. Like Space Jams, Breads, Concords, those, don't do that. I regretted that shit immediately. As soon as they left my hand, the dude left me and dipped. Put my shits in the bag and dipped. I regretted it. Don't do it. But the quality is good, as always, with Hotkicks.cn. Still trying to work out my last order. In the 16 shoes, one of the shoes were the wrong size. I'm trying to see if they send me another pair, because I ain't gonna wear them pink and purple shits. And my sister can't wear them because they're 3 sizes too big. But other than that, Firekicks works things out. Customer service is great. We ship pretty fast. I think after they shipped them out, it took about 4 or 5 days to get here, which is not that long. Do your thing, man. Or, I mean, if you gotta pay $300 for resale, like these are running probably more than $300 for resale right now. I paid $130, and there's no way you're gonna be able to tell me either from the box or from me wearing them on my feet that these are not the real deal. I'm sorry. No one's gonna be able to call you out on the street like that. Same with these Vapormaxes, bro. I mean, these are retailing for about $180, I believe. And right now, you're not gonna be able to get a pair of these in the store. So you're gonna have to go on StockX and pay the $250 to $260 to $270 to $300. And these are $89, bro. And again, on my feet, you're not gonna be able to tell. Same with those Obsidians. Definitely the same with those Obsidians. Those are Supermax perfect. They look 1-to-1. These Space Jams, you cannot tell. To me, it just makes no sense. The way I look at it, when you order from Firekicks or Hotkicks, you cut out Foot Locker, you cut out Jimmy Jazz, you cut out these sneaker stores that have to get paid. That's that's how I see it. Like, you cut out these companies and you don't have to pay Foot Locker and Jimmy Jazz and Shoe Action and all of these other stores, which is why you got to pay these $180 or $200 retail when it only costs it only costs $1 to make these, if that. So I don't know, man. Y'all do it however y'all want to do it. I'm gonna do it how I do it, and my collection is looking nice over there, which is crazy. But anyway, this has been another Kid Sleepless review. I still got more stuff coming out. Keep your eyes out. I still have a pair of Uggs and a Canada Goose coat, and I got another Canada Goose coat coming for my mom's. Last one didn't fit. But keep your eyes peeled, yo. And be safe, because people getting killed out here.